Hello, Anthony Fasano here from Pass the PE Exam. In this episode, we're going to talk about the significant announcement from the NCEES regarding changes to the PE civil exams that will take effect in April of 2024. This Pass the PE Exam video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975.
PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the PE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all the options available for PE exam prep. Let's dive in.
NCEES recently announced a transformative shift in the PE civil exams, with a strong emphasis on assessing engineers based on their specific disciplines. This change is driven by the elimination of common knowledge areas that previously covered general civil engineering topics. All 5 civil PE exams, construction, geotechnical, structural, transportation, and water resources and environmental, now exclusively focus on their respective areas of practice. So, what will change with the PE civil exams come April of 2024? Let's break it all down. Number 1, common topics shared across all 5 specialties will be removed from the PE civil exams. Number 2, the question distribution within topic and subtopics will get updated to reflect the new, more specialized exam approach. Number 3, terminology used for topics and subtopics will align with industry standards. Number 4, an additional subtopic will be introduced to each of the transportation and water exams. Now, let's look at what will remain the same. Number 1, the exams will continue to consist of 80 questions. Number 2, the exam appointment duration remains at 9 hours. Number 3, PE civil exams will still be computer-based. And number 4, engineers with 4+ years of post-college professional work experience can continue to take the exams year-round. The era of the general civil engineer is drawing to a close. With these adjustments effective in April of 2024, engineers will transition to specialization in their respective fields, bidding farewell to the breadth section of the PE exam. The removal of the breadth section has ignited debates within the engineering community, with differing opinions on its implications. Now let's look at some of the pros and cons of removing that breadth section. Some of the pros: engineers can develop deeper expertise in a particular area, and this may lead to better engineering outcomes and more innovative solutions. Engineers may be more competitive in the job market with these changes. Some of the cons: engineers may become more siloed and less able to collaborate effectively with each other. This may lead to problems with coordination and communication on large projects, which is critical to the success of a project. Engineers may have less knowledge of engineering principles outside of their specialty, and this can make it more difficult for them to change careers or work on interdisciplinary projects, which can be challenging in the world of civil engineering. So the changes to the PE exam in 2024 are indeed significant, and there are both pros and cons to the removal of the breadth section. Engineering profession is undergoing transformations in response to these changes. It really is a period of evolution in the engineering field, and here at EMI, we're here to keep you informed every step of the way. So let us know how you feel about these changes in the comments below this video. And remember, as you embark on this new phase in engineering, keep your passion for innovation alive, because flexibility and adaptability will be key. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, I will solve more PE exam practice problems and answer other questions from our subscribers. Pass the PE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure that you click that subscribe button so you don't miss something that could make a substantial difference in your exam result, which will have a huge impact on your career. And please, ask questions and leave comments below this video, and I will respond to you. Let me know if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover, or a question that you need answered. Pass the PE exam will have you covered. I'll see you next week on Pass the PE Exam.